Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy PC Guide. Is your Windows 11 computer showing a blue recovery screen with error code? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this boot problem using WinPE and a graphical interface. I've already shown you how to put WinPE on a USB drive in one of my previous videos. As you can see, Windows cannot start because a required boot file cannot be loaded. In our case, the error points to the file Winload.efi. First, connect your WinPE USB drive to the computer. Now press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard. The computer will restart automatically. Then open the boot menu. On my computer, I use the F9 key to open the boot menu. From the boot menu, select your WinPE USB drive. On this USB drive, I have several WinPE versions. For this demonstration, I'm going to select WinPE 10. WinPE has now loaded successfully. Next, open the WinPE Programs menu and launch BOOTICE from the BCD Editor section. In BOOTICE, open the BCD tab. Select Other BCD file, because we need to work with the Windows BCD file manually. Now we need to locate the BCD file on the FE partition. Open the FE partition, then open Microsoft, Boot, and select the BCD file. After selecting the BCD file, click Easy Mode. We can now see the Windows 11 boot configuration. Select Windows 11 from the list on the left. Now look at the boot file setting. Here we can see the problem. The boot file is pointing to Winload_bad.efi instead of the normal Windows bootloader. To fix it, replace Winload_bad.efi with Winload.efi. Make sure the path is exactly correct. Now click Save Current System. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes or OK. The BCD configuration has been updated. Close BOOTICE and restart the computer. Before Windows starts, remove the WinPE USB drive. And that's it, it's all done. Windows 11 now boots up normally again. We fixed the Windows error via the WinPE graphical interface by repairing the Windows boot file. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.